Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So if you remember, I had done the leaf propagation of my Echeveria Florence Lowy. I accidentally did the leaf propagation during the winters. So if you are a person who is from a very extreme cold environment, please do not do any leaf propagations for your Echeverias because they will not do quite well. Luckily in my environment, it was a 50-50 kind of a chance that I had taken, and it did work out. I had taken out a couple of the lower leaves, but now there is a lot of new growth. Now I don't have to be worried because now it is slowly transitioning into the summer or early summer. So there is going to be a lot of new growth on my Echeverias. But so far it is doing quite well. These were the older leaves, the lower leaves, I had taken them out. That's why it looks a little bit off shape, because I've taken out the lower leaves. And these are the propagations. All of them are doing fantastic. As I said, I took a 50-50 chance of propagation. Initially it was very slow. I thought probably I made a big mistake by taking out the leaves during the winters. But then this is how it looks right now. So they have fared really well. Now I don't need to be worried because now the temperature is getting a little bit warmer and they would be having a little bit faster growth as compared to what it was during the winters. But again, my winters are not very extreme, so it still managed to put out roots and pups. So luckily that was a chance that I took. I realized that after taking out the leaves that it's winters, and I completely forgot about it because over here the winters are not very cold. You don't even realize it's winters. It's very mild. So probably that's why my Echeverias happen to propagate. So if you are from a very cold environment, please do not do a leaf propagation of Echeveria. Wait for the summers or early summers. That's when you can start propagating or leaf propagating your Echeverias. For that matter, even stem cuttings, do not do it during the colder months, especially when a plant is dormant. It's best not to touch it or cut it. Just leave it as it is. But this is how the progress looks like. It looks absolutely fantastic. I will try and put the date. I'll have to search for the date in the previous videos. I will search the date and put it up on the screen. So this is how it looks so far. Now again, it is a very long process after this. It's going to take a very long time. They are still being kept in indirect bright light. Watering has already been started because they already have roots. So far it's going good. I have to sprinkle some dry cinnamon powder because you can see this uncle has just come in. So I will have to use some dry cinnamon powder. And overall they are doing quite good. A fair amount of growth, which is quite good, especially if it's done during the winters. But it's doing quite well. So guys, that's all about it. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.